This podcast is sponsored by authorvoices.ai. Transform your book into a captivating audiobook in minutes, not months, and for just a fraction of the cost. Discover the future of narration at authorvoices.ai today.
How authors can keep AI. Audiobook user data safe with secure AI. Narration. Discover how authors can protect user data while using audiobook narration and why choosing secure platforms matters for your readers. Hey there, authors! If you've been curious about the buzz around AI audiobook narration and how it might impact your work, you're not alone. The rise of AI voice generator technologies is transforming how books come to life, giving writers fresh options beyond traditional narration. But with all this innovation, one question pops up almost every time. Is my audiobook user data safe? As someone who loves tech and books, I wanted to share some insights on what data safety means in the AI audiobook space and why it should matter to you. Why should authors care about AI? Audiobook user data. When we think about AI narration for books, it's easy to get caught up in the coolness factor, the affordability, the speed, and the ability to customize the narration style. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of user data being handled. This includes listener preferences, speed, voice style, etc. Usage patterns, how far they listen, which chapters get replayed. Personal info tied to accounts. For authors, this data is more than just numbers. It can offer powerful insights into what readers love, helping you craft better stories and market smartly. But if that data isn't protected, it could harm your reputation or even your readers. The reality of data privacy in AI. Audiobooks. Here's the thing. When you use an AI book narration service or an AI voice generator platform, your data and your listeners' data are typically stored somewhere on the cloud. This means data breaches, unauthorized access, and data misuse become real risks. Now, most reputable services understand this and invest in solid security protocols. Still, not all companies operate with the same level of transparency or safety. For example, how is data encrypted? Is your audiobook narration data encrypted both in transit and at rest? Who has access? Are the data handlers following strict access controls? What are the retention policies? How long is user data kept? And can it be deleted on request? Smart authors will ask these questions before committing their audiobooks to an AI narration service. What should authors look for in a secure AI narration platform? Since you want the best AI audiobook narration, but also want to keep listener trust, here are some tips to find an AI narration service that respects privacy. Clear privacy policies. Look for platforms that spell out how your data and your users' data are handled. Vague or buried policies can be red flags. Data encryption. Your audio files and user information should be encrypted. This prevents hackers from intercepting valuable info. User control features. Good platforms let your listeners control their data, like opting out of tracking or requesting deletion. Reputation. Check reviews or testimonials from other authors. Is the service known for trustworthy practices? Why AI? Voice generator tech benefits authors without compromising safety. Even with all these concerns, don't let data worries scare you away from using AI narration tools. The advancements in AI narration for books have made it possible to create audiobooks more quickly and affordably, especially for indie authors or small presses. Plus, many next-level services like authorvoices.ai are stepping up to solve the data safety puzzle. They combine powerful AI book narration technology with transparent policies and strong security, making it easier for authors to try AI without feeling vulnerable about their or their listeners' data. Protecting your readers and yourself. At the end of the day, trust goes both ways. As an author, keeping your readers' experience safe and private is a big part of maintaining that trust in your brand. For your part, communicate openly with readers if you're using AI narration. Transparency helps build loyalty. Choose partners that prioritize data safety so you don't have to worry in the background. Stay updated on data privacy laws like GDPR or CCPA that might apply, especially if your audience is international. Technology moves fast, and AI audiobook narration is here to stay. Keeping an eye on user data safety ensures your journey into AI is smooth, secure, and successful. Ready to explore AI narration without the stress? Check out authorvoices.ai for a secure, user-friendly platform that puts authors first, offering top-notch AI, voice generator tech, privacy safeguards, and more. Your stories deserve to be heard without compromising data safety.